don't like much. Don't for you, only don't like much.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been gone forever, I know, okay, I know, but I'm back and let's talk about this gorgeous hair that I got from Curlsqueen. Shout out to Curlsqueen for sending this over. Let's really talk about this hair because it was very tea. It came with this goodie bag. It had a detangler brush. It also had a silk bonnet, perfect for sleeping at night. It also had these extra combs that you can add onto your wefts if you want extra security or if any combs fall off or something like that. Now getting into this hair. First things first, this hair was so full. This is only one set of clip-ins. So this is the 4A, 4B water KINKY Coily texture, and this is in 20 inches. The pack comes with 2 pieces that have 5 clips, 2 that have 4, 2 that have 3, and 4 pieces that have 2 clips. Straight out the pack, the curl pattern looked really nice, so I was really excited to wash it. Washing your bundles, any hair you get, super important because then you really get to see the true curl pattern and the true length of the hair. I went in with some silicone shampoo to make it really soft but also get a good clean, and the hair was looking so good. Like the curls were so juicy and soft. I was very excited, y'all. Okay, so get ready for a jump scare. Okay, I prepped y'all. Anyway, this is my braid down. It's jumbo twists with like 2 in the front, 1 for an anchor braid and then 1 for my leave out. Don't judge me, y'all. I've had these twists in for a while, but let's just get into the installs. I started with the clip-in with 5 clips in the back of my head, and I could already tell that this hair was going to be very full. I'm using the Main Choice curling mousse and also this As I Am curling jelly. This is my go-to with any curly hair I use. It just makes the curls pop. And I was feeling myself. Like, I was already feeling myself. I'm only on the 2nd track. So this is a 4 comb weft, and I'm placing that a little bit above, leaving about like a finger's worth of space in between each bundle. I have a small head, so I didn't want them to be too close together, but I also didn't want too many gaps in my head. So I'm going in with the 4 clip comb next, right above it, and I'm leaving again a finger's worth of space, and I'm already halfway through my head and I've only used 3 clip-ins, y'all. It just goes to show how full this hair is, and because it's double wefted, you're gonna get that fullness from the root to the end of the hair. So let's get into the curl defining technique. I like to use a finger coiling method, so I'm showing y'all that I smooth the hair out and then I wrap it in my fingers and I just roll, and then I pull the curl out, and it just defines that curl so beautifully. It definitely takes some trial and error, so you have to really play around with the curls and see what works for you. So now that I'm at the front of my head, I'm using the 5 clip weft and I'm placing that right on my anchor braid because this is how we get that flip over effect. You want to have enough hair to flip over, but enough so that it covers all the tracks in the back. Moving on to getting my hair blended with the bundles. At first I was a little nervous because my hair is like 4B, 4C, but this gel right here is about to get me all the way together. This is the Pure Neat Braid Conditioning Gel, and when I tell you this stuff is amazing. So my technique with this is I put it through the ends of my hair and then I scrunch up my hair so that it curls a bit, and then I use a tiny bit of moisture from my mousse so I can get my natural hair mixed in with the curls from the curly hair. I'm also using my fingers to kind of like poke it and twist it a little bit just so that I'm getting them wrapped together, and then I'll take a strand of my hair and a strand of the curly hair and almost twist them around each other so that they really stay connected and blend more seamlessly. Honestly, even without my edges done, it was still giving me blended, but let's get into these edges. I use this Smith's Hair Care Edge Control. I swear by this. I love this. This might even be comparable to my Baskin Lather Edge Control. If y'all know about Baskin Lather, you know that's some good edge control. But this one right here, yeah, this is good too. I'm going back in with my blending method, just tucking and twisting, and y'all, that is it. This hair had me feeling like it was growing straight out my scalp. I was honestly shocked by how full this hair was because I've had clip-ins from other companies and it was never given this full. It was given 2 scoops of hair. But what I love about the flip over method is you could tuck it behind your ear, you could do a side part, you could do a middle part, you flip it over, do the other side part. Pros with this hair, very full, very soft. Only con I would say is that it is tough to define the curls. Like, you really do have to take your time and be patient, but when you do, it looks amazing. Thanks for watching, y'all. I promise I won't go MIA again. See you in the next one.
Move fast and you know what you want. That's the sound doing what I want.